According to a study by the United Nations, 40% of today's global population works in agriculture. This makes agriculture the single largest employer in the world. Welcome students of St. Edward's University. My name is Felix and I'm a volunteer worker at Urban Roots. Urban Roots is a youth development organization that uses food and farming to transform the lives of young people and to engage, nourish, and inspire the community. Organizations such as Urban Roots are needed in today's society because they totally rely on sustainable farming. Now, sustainable farming is the production of food, fiber, or other animal or plant products using farming techniques that protect the environment, protect public health, human health, and the welfare of animals. So today I will first introduce the organization by presenting its purpose and its goals. After that I will talk about my personal experience at the farm, and I will tell you by Urban Roots Needs Your Help and the benefits of Urban Roots and its sustainable farming techniques. Please keep your questions till the end, please. So Urban Roots is located in East Austin, and it's about a 20-minute drive from campus. Urban Roots' main goal is to grow 30,000 pounds of food every single year by the help of the staff, the youth interns, and of course the volunteer workers. 60% of the harvest that is produced is sold at farmers markets, and the other 40% is given to human service organizations such as food pantries and the soup kitchen. Urban Roots offers a youth program as well. Here the young interns are helping the community by growing as much vegetables as they can while they learn about job skills and important and essential life lessons. So momentarily there are two jobs that are to be done at Urban Roots. The first job is to move rocks to improve the irrigation system at the entrance. And we also work to fill drain water canals that were disrupting the driveway. So what we practically did all morning has everything to do with erosion and the sedimentation. And erosion is a potential environmental issue because it usually washes away rich nutrient topsoil from lands. So according to a study at the University of Georgia, this can prevent future generations of plants from growing in eroded areas. And the second time I visited Urban Roots, we actually did work on the farm itself. We harvested squash, cilantros, and cauliflowers. And at the end of the day, they all gave us a huge bag with the vegetables that we harvested ourselves. So that was pretty cool. So right now I'll talk a little bit about sustainable farming. And when we talk about sustainable farming, there are three key factors which are very important, which are the health of the environment, the profitability of the economy, and the social and economic equity. The Grace Communication Center states that one of the most important benefits of sustainable farming is environmental preservation. If farms start using techniques such as crop rotation and healthy livestock instead of harmful pesticides, synthetic fertilizers, or any other factors that can harm natural resources, these farms can start developing healthy ecosystems and protect biodiversity. Another factor is the health of people. Like I said earlier, these pesticides are potentially dangerous to our health, and farmers could prevent this by the use of sustainable farming. Also, it will improve the welfare of animals, and finally it can boost the local economy when a farm is profitable. So Urban Roots could use all the help they can get. The staff and interns are truly passionate about their jobs, and it's just a great experience. Why would you stay home all day and play video games or watch movies when you can help the society with such a great thing as sustainable farming, which is very important for our future. So many people volunteer at the food bank, like I heard today again. The food bank is great. I love the organization. I volunteered there myself a lot of times as well. But the last time I checked on their website, it almost had a waiting list for almost a month. So a lot of people volunteer at the food bank, and organizations such as Urban Roots just don't have a lot of people showing up because people just don't really understand the necessity of sustainable farming, and I really hope that people start to understand that conventional farming, industrialized farming is potentially dangerous for humans, and that people just start doing sustainable farming. So on the handout I gave you, you can see volunteer dates for in December. As you can see, it's every 2 weeks on Saturday, and on Tuesdays and Thursdays you can attend. So I really hope any of y'all will visit the farm. So in conclusion, I explained that Urban Roots' purpose is to promote sustainable farming. I told you about my personal experience at the farm and how you can help the organization. And I presented the benefits of sustainable farming by telling you that it's healthier, it's better for the environment, and it improves the welfare of animals. So once again, I really recommend volunteering at Urban Roots. So thank you all for coming. Are there any questions?